You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is a little bit confusing because it comes from French, and French words are always confusing, but it's pretty straightforward once you know. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Tons at the end of this video. Two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Hospice. So you have hos, that's where the stress goes, first syllable. Hospice, so it's either e, a bit of an e sound, hospice, or a schwa sound like an sound, as in pus. So hospice or hospice. Both pronunciations are correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.